Welcome back. In the previous example, we did see that the ROI period was 4 years. The capital was invested by the consumer. Now let us imagine that the consumer doesn't have the investment and he takes a loan from the bank for the installation of the solar power plant. Now the question is, does it make sense to take a loan and install a solar power plant? For the sake of simplification, the previous example has been extended here. So you can see here that the average annual generation is taken as 1300 units per kilowatt. The cost of electricity unit is 10 rupees. The size of the solar power plant is 10 kilowatt. The capital cost is same as 5,20,000 and the annual power generation shall be 1300 units. Annual power savings shall be 1,30,000. Monthly savings in this particular case is 10,833. This is the new row which we have added in this example. Rest of the things are same as the previous example. So now we know that our monthly saving would be 10,833 rupees. Now let us see the particulars of the loan, how the loan was availed. So the loan was availed on the condition that the 75% of the project cost would be financed. Now the 75% of the project cost is equal to 3,90,000 rupees. And when the loan is availed for 3,90,000 rupees, the monthly EMI for the duration of 4 years period is 10,080 rupees only. Here we have assumed that the loan has been sanctioned at an interest rate of 11% per annum. Generally the loan is available at 10% or 10.5%. Just for the sake of the calculation, higher interest rate is considered. So now we know that our monthly EMI which we need to pay to the bank is 10,080 rupees. And we also know that our monthly saving is 10,833 rupees. Now from these two figures we could easily see that whatever the savings we are getting from the solar power plant, out of those savings only we can pay our monthly EMI, and after paying monthly EMI we would still be left with 800 rupees approximately. The loan shall be paid in the period of 4 years. After the 4 years, the electricity from the solar power plant shall be absolutely free. Interesting to note here the power of solar energy, the hidden potential of solar energy. Not only the EMIs are getting paid itself, but also it is interesting to see that post the payback period, self-investment of 1,30,000 is getting a return of 10,833, which is approximately 9% per month. When we deduct the financed amount of 3,90,000 rupees from the capital of 5,20,000, we see that the initial capital put up by the consumer from his own pocket was 1,30,000, and it is amazing to see that he is getting a return of 10,833 rupees, which is 9% per month. Does this amaze you? I am sure it will. Thank you so much for watching this. I see you in the next segment.